Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to MS Tech channel. So today I will going to tell you about how to make your assignments into digital form using Google Docs. The last video was about the Google Slides. If you haven't watched that video, just go and watch it out so the teachers can create editable worksheets using Google Slides. So let's proceed. Go to the classwork and click on the classwork, then click on the create and press the assignment button. Now click on the create button and choose Google Docs. Once it's attached over here, it will direct you to another tab. So the teachers can type out her or his assignment over here. It's totally up to you. If the teacher wants to add a text box where the students can write their answers, or you can even leave some vacant spaces, or you can even draw some lines. It's totally up to you. What I am doing with my student is that I used to leave some vacant spaces so they can type out easily their answers over there. So let's say go to the alignment center and type out computer worksheet, and then I can type out name, use the tab key and type out grade, and then press enter. Go to the next line and question 1, let's say what is computer, and then I'll write answer and I'll leave some spaces. Question 2, what is artificial intelligence? I'll press enter, answer, and then we are done. It's totally up to you. You can do the formatting. So I'll just go and bold it out. I'll just change the font size to 14, and then I'll quickly change it to bold and the font size to 12. Questions, quickly select it out, change the font size to 12 and bold it out so that it appears it's a question and students knows that it's a question, it's being highlighted for them, and press the bold button. Once I'm done, I will say look at this icon, it says save to drive, so it's automatically saved. Before going there, I'll just quickly update the title of the worksheet. It's computer worksheet, it's written, so it's totally done. Just press the cross button and it's attached over here. Now the main step is that you need to make a separate copy for each student. In this way, each student will get their individual copy. Not even a single student's file will override the other file. So make a copy for each student and they can attempt it out separately. Type out the title, computer worksheet 1. So I'll create a topic over here, computer worksheet 1, and you can change out the points, you can set the due date. If you want to selected students, you can select the students from here, or even you can send it to all the students. Right now I'm sharing it with all my students, so I'll press the assign button. Once I'm done, so the students will get a prompt that teacher has shared an assignment. I'll scroll down a little bit. Here's the assignment, computer worksheet 1. I'll click on it, scroll down a little bit, view assignment, and you can even view that this particular student has been assigned your worksheet. You can click on it, it will direct you to a new tab and you can see your worksheet over here. Once she will update her answers over here, you can see her answers over here as well. In this way, you will be able to check out your assignments digitally online using this Google Docs. It's a very useful feature. But if you have typed out your worksheet in any other file, document file, like for instance on Microsoft Word, you can just select the whole text, press the Ctrl+C button, copy it out, and then paste it on the Google Docs, set the alignment and the formatting, and once you are done, share it with the Google Classroom. In this way, no need to worry it out that we have typed it out earlier on the Microsoft Word and how to share it on the Google Docs. Simply copy paste the worksheet and then once you are done, share it with the Google Classroom the way I have explained. I hope so. This is helpful for you. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Stay safe. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.